Okay. On the screen, you see my learning management system. I chose this resource because I've been using Moodle for the past year. This LMS is a software application that administrators use to document, track work, report grades, and deliver educational courses through this program. Other examples of this type of program is like Skyward or Blackboard. Students are being able to have access to expectations within their academic works and are allowed to access to students' achievements in grade books. Having this access empowers the students and gives them the power to continue on successfully. So, moving on to my social cognitive technology tool. I chose Class Dojo. This technology app is another resource that supports my philosophy of social cognitism. This app is designed to be a classroom communication app that shares reports between parents and teachers. Teachers can upload pictures and videos to share with parents. Teachers can track students' behavior through this app. It's a great resource that supports my students' parents and giving them an easy and understandable way to access me at all times. So as you can see here, they use a little emoji. You can create your own once you sign up. It's free. They have a little video you can watch to help you see how this app works. So once again, you can share moments with parents. You give students a voice, and then you also are creating a positive culture. Okay. Last but not least, oh wait, one more thing. Sorry. Here's a short little video. We won't watch the whole thing, but I'll let you watch a clip of it. It's based upon social cognitive theory. As you see, he chooses to mim his father, do everything his father is doing. He believes that since adults drink coffee, he has to drink coffee.